Hey everyone, this is Michelle Stelling with the National Association of Digital Scrapbookers, NAODS. You can come to our site and learn more about Photoshop Elements. You can also come to our class, which is going to be held for the next 4 days, so be sure to click on the link below. Enjoy the training video. So you can create your own custom colored gradients if you want to. So I showed you how in our last segment how to use the gradients that we have available. So we did a couple different ones here. Let me turn some of these off so you can see. Let's deselect. And so we have all those different types that are pre-done. But let's say you wanted to do your own color. So let's just delete a lot of these different layers here. I'm just going to drag them to the trash can up in the upper right hand corner there. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead with a new layer and turn off that background layer. So basically, if you go into your gradient tool in your toolbar on the left hand side, you can come down here, and remember I said that you have all these different defaults. But if you wanted to create your own color, you can go into, let's click down here, click on Edit. Okay, it's going to bring you a whole new gradient editor. And really, it's very simple. You just click on one of these little sliders, and they're actually called color stops. And then down here, you can change the color of that stop. So if I click on that, I can come into my color picker, actually my select stop color, but it's really a color picker. You can change any of these hues over here with this slider bar in the middle. Maybe I want to go with a bright orange. Click on OK. So then it just changes that color stop. Now if I wanted to change this one over here, maybe I want this to be a blue. Okay. Now this one brought up color swatches, but if I click inside of this area, it's going to bring up the whole spectrum. So inside of this area here, if you click on that, it's going to bring you all the colors, whereas if you click on this little arrow that points down, it's only going to give you these color swatches. So just keep that in mind. Okay. And then maybe I want to come over here and change this one in the upper right hand corner. Now that one there is a opacity stop. Okay, so you can slide that around a lot. This one right here is a little diamond. You can't change the color on that, but you can move it around. So let's go to this color stop on the bottom here, and let's go with another blue. And now we've got these color stops that we can kind of slide around and create our custom gradient. Once you have that, you should be able to go ahead and rename it. So I'm just going to call this my gradient, or you can call it blue, yellow, blue, or whatever you want to. I'm going to add that. So it added it right in here. See, add to preset. So now it's saved in my default area, and if you hover over it, you'll see that it says my gradient, and I'm going to click on OK, and now I can come in there and use it how I wish, and that's how you create your own gradient. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave comments below, and also join us for our next webinar, a free webinar. It's going to be held over the next 4 days. Be sure to click on the link below to sign up.